Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak what can osteopathy do for you. Osteopathy is a unique holistic way to heal your spine, back problems, all of your joints from your arms, leg and much more. Osteopathy became famous with a craniosacral therapy that heals your spine. So the craniosacral therapy, or CST, is a gentle hands-on treatment that may provide relief from a variety of symptoms, including headaches, neck pain, and side effects of cancer treatment, among many others. CST uses a light touch to examine membrane and movement of fluids in and around the central nerve system. An osteopathic physician is a medical doctor specialized on osteopathy. In every case, you are in good hands. I got many treatments from many different osteopaths and always got positive results. The osteopathy uses the techniques from American Indians and from all other holistic healing that works for 100%. An osteopath using manual medicine, this means with the hands, that both diagnosis and treatments are carried out with the hands. An osteopath will do also soft chiropractic to align your vertebrae of your spine. After my experience, the osteopath's manipulation of the spine is much more effective and skillful than from the chiropractor, because she doesn't need so much power to make it soft and reach the same, and much more. An osteopath injects dextrose in the intervertebral disc, joints and tendon so that the disc, joints and tendon will grow. For instance, this can work for a broken disc or knee meniscus problem where a surgery is recommended. Before you undertake such surgery, check if an osteopath can help you. Osteopathy can provide relief and treatment for a wide range of conditions. This includes arthritis, foot, ankle, hip, knee pain, back pain, neck pain, ischias, hand, shoulder and elbow pain, headaches, tennis and golf for the elbow, postural problem due pregnancy, sports injury, driving or work strain or digestive issues, neuralgia. An osteopathic physician can also detect conditions that are not treatable through osteopathy to refer patients to other specialists. An osteopathic physician may also issue a prescription medicine and use surgical methods to support the holistic manual treatment, like the injection of dextrose. Many osteopathic physicians also serve as a primary care physicians in fields such as family medicine, internal medicine, and pediatrics. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.